Hey everybody, it's me, Jeff Acosta. Hey, how you guys all doing? Well, welcome to another video. And before we go on, as always, don't forget to subscribe. And if you know anybody who has Asperger syndrome, autism, or any kind of special condition and they need some type of inspiration, please tell them about my YouTube channel. All my videos right there. My Instagram page, where you can see all my posts and collages. And my professional Facebook page, all of the same name, Meat Writer Jeff Acosta. And as always, I am called Meat Writer Jeff Acosta because I have my own online copyrighted children's book series I've written and illustrated for almost 20 years now. I can't believe it. We're almost at the 20-year mark, June 2006. So basically, go onto the albums links here on the professional Facebook page, click on an album, and then click the very first illustration, which is the title cover, and then you can start reading my books and also seeing my illustrations. Check my books out, everybody. Get the word out there to see if there's any chance of being professionally published one day. Whether it's first being discovered by a literary agent or just being discovered by one of the big publishers themselves, like Random House, Scholastic, Penguin, or just any of them. It'd be amazing to be professionally published one day. Anyways, for now, so welcome to the first video of May 2026. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be heading off to Sierra College in Rocklin, California, because today is the Dinosaur Day Science Festival. I think that's what it's called, but I'll put it down correctly like once I edit this video. So I've seen Sierra College a couple times in their Natural History Museum. It's an amazing museum. I mean, it's really incredible for a junior college museum, and you'll see what I mean because that's going to be taking place there, I believe. I have a feeling it's going to be mostly just kids there because dinosaurs are more towards children, but who doesn't? What adult doesn't love dinosaurs? And from what I've seen in some past videos, it looks like a very fun event. So I'm going to check it out. And it looks like I think there's supposed to be like live animals, like reptiles or something like that. The museum itself. Let's see what there is. All right. Well, hey, as I'm making my way to Rockland and Sierra College, check out all that was going on for me the last couple days. For the first few days of May, that is. Leading up to me making this video. Here, check it out as I'm making my way to Rocklin. Wow, what a theater. Look at that. Beautiful theater. What a beautiful theater. Run! It's Godzilla! Oh, it looks like Godzilla, but by international law, it does not. Still makes a run like it is Godzilla! No, it isn't. Ah! If you didn't get the reference, it was from Austin Powers 3. Alright, I made it to Sierra College here in Rocklin, California. Making my way over to the Dino Fest and Science Day. So it'll be interesting to see what this is like. Let's get over there. Alright, last time I was here, I think it was actually fall of 2021 when I just decided to come on one of my days off and just check out the museum again. So this is pretty cool. And it looks like Snoopy up there. Cool.
You want to touch? Is that a hissing cockroach?
Yeah.
I just did before.
So this one was hissing like
Every day.
crazy.
Yeah, I seen that.
Oh, here we are. That's a good one.
Wait, baby, wait.
That was interesting holding a cockroach. I could actually feel the hook in my finger, but it was pretty cool. I mean, how many people get to hold a hissing cockroach? All right, let's check out more of the festival.
Snakes.
They have a nice safe place to go sleep at night, right?
Well, and yeah, the raccoon and the coyote aren't eating them. So, yeah, and the cars. Oh my word, how many cats do you see on the side of the road? This is a big brown bat.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Just like she has a big brown bat.
Aw. Aw.
Yum, 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 yum. Water. Wildlife area.
Yeah.
And so if a bat is injured or falls out of the bridge, there's predators out there that get them before a person would ever see them.
Yeah.
Yeah. We do the tours out there in the summer. We have books.
Oh, I really wanted to hold a bat so much. That was pretty cool. But for obvious reasons, though, I mean, I couldn't. But it was really cool to get close to those bats. I can see why. Oh, that's so. Well, I'm sorry about that. You have a little condition in your feet. Look at you.
There you go. Get it quick.
Look at this. How often do you get to hold a hawk?
His name is Don Diego.
Don Diego. We got Don Diego here. This is pretty cool. Nice to meet you.
His full name is Don Diego Alejandro Santiago Saragosa Negamonto Delgado.
Wow. What a long name. I'm sure you all heard that. That's pretty cool. Hey, this is awesome. Hey, a handsome hawk, isn't he?
He is very handsome. He's 21.
21?
21.
Wow. Hey, we gotta get you a cocktail.
That's right.
That's awesome. Cool. Thank you for doing that.
No worries.
That was really cool getting to hold that hawk. What an amazing experience. All right, here's the museum. Let's go check it out. Got black rhinoceros, white rhinoceros. We got a pterodactyl horse. Yeah, here we are. And of course, got dinosaurs in there. There's the elephant and the zebra. A couple of different pigs. That's pretty cool. So look at all those fossils. That is so cool. The size of that elephant. Walrus, whale ancestor, sea cow. And look at that, it's a great whale. That is so cool. And we got bears. So we got the gump, thermer, or I can't pronounce it. animals of North America. I think probably not those ones. Probably more like the South America. Interesting.
Okay,
Interesting.
in a few seconds, we will talk about sharks, dissecting sharks, checking out inside sharks' stomach.
It might have baby. Oh no. Oh yes. No.
Alright, so basically, here I'll do it this way for you guys. So here's the...
Interesting seeing the autonomy of a shark. You know, funny thing is, I was kind of making some faces, but I'm like, you know what? Wait a minute. I work in an operations room now. I should be okay with this stuff now. So you know what? Oh well. I guess it just shows I'm just getting used to it.
One more favor.
Look at that. A northern blue-tongued skink from Australia, my mom's native country.
Yeah, so yeah. He does.
That's cool.
Blackberries, not raspberries. Okay, bye.
Hell yeah! Look at him. Look at him moving.
He's moving.
Look at that. Look at that.
Circle.
Yeah.
What is that?
What?
Look at you.
That one over there.
That's tiger.
Oh, it's a skink.
He's a blue-tongued skink.
Oh, there's the tongue. Yeah. Look at that.
They don't live around
one
here
is
naturally.
blue-tongued.
They're from
Did you see it?
Australia.
So cool.
Well, that was quite a festival. You know, I mean, a lot of little kids, but it was really incredible. I mean, hey, got close to some dinosaur replicas and even a woolly mammoth. Got to hold a hissing cockroach. Got to have a hawk on my arm. Got to see the anatomy of a shark. I wish I had gotten a picture with one of those sharks before they dissected them. And then just seeing the inside of the Natural History Museum again here at Sierra College was really incredible. I kind of wish that they had some more merchandise at the museum, but at least they had mugs. So you never know. Maybe someday they'll make some more merchandise, and even the same thing with Sierra College. Maybe if they'll make any magnets or anything. But you know what? It's okay though. It's still a great time. I'm glad I did this. Wish some friends could have been here with me, especially if anybody was into dinosaurs and prehistoric animals. But I'm glad I did this. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Before we end the video though, I'm gonna show Cinco de Mayo and Mother's Day and if anything else before I decide to release this video to all of you. But until then, don't forget to subscribe. And if you know anybody who has Asperger syndrome, autism, or any kind of special condition, and they need some type of inspiration, please tell them my YouTube channel, my Instagram page, and my professional Facebook page of the same name, Meat Writer Jeff Acosta. And as always, I am called Meat Writer Jeff Acosta because I have my own online copyrighted children's book series I've written and illustrated for almost 20 years. 20 years, June 2026. Check out my books, everybody, by clicking on the photo albums link on my professional Facebook page. Click on an album. Click the very first illustration you see, and that's the title cover, and then you can read my stories and check out my illustrations. Get the word out there about my books, everyone, and see if there's any chance of being professionally published one day, whether it's being discovered by a literary agent or a professional publisher itself. All right, everybody. Well, like I said, before I release this video, it's going to be Cinco de Mayo, Mother's Day, and anything else until then. All right, everybody. We'll see you in the next video blog. See ya. Happy birthday, Leo, from Uncle Jeff
And Amanda.
and Jax. All right, Megan, Ryan, I hope you guys are all doing okay too. Love you, my little sport.
Have a good day.
Meow.